you recording? Tell them what we're doing today.
Huh?
Tell them what we're doing today.
This is your job. Look at this bag.
Oh no.
Turn around. Turn around. Wait, look at the car in the background.
Wait, what are we doing today? Car meet?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're doing a car wash before we go to a car meet.
What car is that?
It's a Mazda Speed 3.
And I'll go is not enough.
I should have said 2013 Mazda Speed 3.
2012.
2012 Mazda Speed 3.
So focused. Look at him. For what?
What am I supposed to do? I'm lonely here without you.
But they used to have in Northbrook, they had some north suburbs, cars and coffee.
Yeah, no, I used to go to those a lot.
It's not gonna get you.
But here, I mean, we were saying like, yeah, right now.
This is nice car.
Or that.
I want to know how to like really nice piece.
It's the same one we saw in Keep it that way. Yeah. I should like get a moped and then wait for you back over here. Where's this even parking? I've never seen this.
Huh? What are you eating?
Canes. Thus is me and I was eating them in.
You couldn't wait to eat, huh?
I'm hungry.
We're still here. We're at the car.